Hello everybody, in today's tutorial I will show you how to break up text in a cell in your uh, Microsoft Office Excel spreadsheet. So first open your Microsoft Office spreadsheet and follow these simple steps. Now we need to go to the data tab so we can split those two values or two text into different columns. So I'm going to the data uh, and then I'm going to select uh, my column or the cells that contains the text that I want to break up, and I'm going to data as I said, and then we will search for text to columns. So here in this section there is the data tools and here is the text to columns tool. I'm going to click in it, and now we will choose delimited because the text is separated. So I'm going to click next, and now we are going to choose the delimiter. Here we have space. It might that you have like comma or semicolon or any other character that you can add here. In my case, I have a space here, so I'm just going to select space and then just click next. Now we are going to define the destination of our uh, so I'm going just here where I want my data to be transferred. So now you are going, if you want, you could specify the data type, but preferably to let it general, except if you have some specific types, you have just to select it. Now we are going to click on finish. And as you can see, my data or my names or my values or the text has been broke up in the cell and it's been splitted to two columns. So basically this is how we do it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.